So I'm trying to be really quiet so that I'm not obnoxious, but we're leaving Paris right now in the morning on Thursday. And we're going to Normandy, and we're going to see the D-Day beaches, which is, I'm about to nerd out, so. So I know that I started out this vlog with like super upbeat music, like normal vlog music, but I did film at Normandy and like the D-Day beaches, but I'm just gonna put it, you can skip through it if you like don't want to see it, but I'm just gonna put the footage just with no music, just out of respect, just because it's not exactly the most upbeat thing in the world, but it was just so moving to be there, and it was really interesting. The whole museum had like a lot of facts about it and how it was done, and yeah, it was really, really cool, but I do just want to put it to no music, just because I feel like that's the right thing to do. So we drove about an hour and a half we went to the D-Day beaches. We drove like an hour and a half from there to Mont-Saint-Michele, and we're staying just like a little bit off the island at this bed and breakfast, and it's so cute. I'm so excited. It's like right there, you can kind of see that building, and then it's just fields and fields, and then the island itself is like behind this house. I really didn't update you guys today, but
stairs aren't too hot. Be careful.
Cool. So I really didn't up you guys. So I'm just gonna like vlog as I go down the stairs. It's probably a really bad idea, but we're just gonna go for it. No, we're not. I didn't.
Like, they're not in. Okay, but I was doing so hard.
Anyway, so we left Mont-Saint-Michele and we drove 3 hours to Amboise. Amboise?
It's Amboise.
Am I?
I think.
Yes, Amboise.
Amboise.
Anyway, so we drove 3 hours to get here and now we're here. So
It's kind of cool though. Our hotel's like in front of the massive chateau in town, and that's like the thing to do here. So tomorrow we're like touring chateaus all day. So like
Chateau.
Sweet 23 at the
Chateau.
chateau.
Is chateau. So you could try that.
So go back to school.
How many
Okay.
times are you gonna mess up in this?
Yeah.
Don't
She's
crack your neck,
French.
it's bad for you.
I didn't crack my neck. I don't crack my neck because I'm not weird.
I cracked my neck.
Well, again, we discussed earlier, you are weird.